never seen anything like it. Holding the helicopter in a split S once again as he goes inverted, brings it back from show left. Mike. You saw how big it was. The most unnatural thing in the world would be exactly what Chuck is doing. Being upside down in a helicopter, a modified BO-105 helicopter. That he modified with the cooperation of the manufacturer and, of course, Red Bull. As he ascends vertically, hovering there briefly and then rolling the aircraft back on its backside once again. It just can't be done, but he's doing it. Chuck Aaron, sponsored by Elliott Aviation here at the Quad City Air Show. We're grateful to have their support and to make this very unique appearance possible as he points the nose of the helicopter straight down at the ground. Chuck has been featured in countless magazine articles, always leaving the authors wondering how in the world does he do it. Rolling the helicopter once again. And ladies and gentlemen, I've got to tell you, as an air show announcer for nearly 4 decades, rolling the helicopter once again is not a sentence I've said very often.